Hey y'all, Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making ambrosia pie. Ambrosia pie is an easy, no-bake pie that is ideal for spring and summer parties and potlucks. The filling is full of oranges, pineapple, coconut, and cherries. It has all the yummy flavor of ambrosia salad, but in a delicious graham cracker crust. Let's get started. We're going to start this recipe with 1 block or 8 ounces of cream cheese that has been pre-softened, nice and smooth. Next, we're going to beat in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Okay, I think that's got it. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice is what helps set the pie. Okay, next we're going to beat in 8 ounces or 1 cup of sour cream. Next, we're going to add in 1 3/4 ounce box of Jell-O cheesecake flavored instant pudding mix. Let's add this in. Next, we're going to add in a couple of cups of well-drained crushed pineapple. I've just packed it all in this big measuring cup. 1 11-ounce can of mandarin oranges. Well-drained. 1 cup of shredded sweetened coconut. Okay, next is 1/2 cup of maraschino cherries cut in half and well-drained, patted dry. Now we're just going to gently fold this in. So this paddle is going to be fine. We're just going to turn this on 1 and just gently fold this in. I'll take the paddle off. You can see how much filling, so I have enough for 2 pies. This is a 9-inch graham cracker crust. I'm just going to go ahead and fill this one. Now y'all can garnish this with pecans. You can garnish it with mandarin oranges. That looks so good, y'all. Again, this is a 9-inch crust. I could not find a 10-inch crust for this. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna pop the top on it. And then you're gonna wanna refrigerate this for probably 4 hours or so. It may not even take that long. But let's go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the mixture in a chocolate pie crust because I had one on hand. And I just wanna see what it's gonna be like in a chocolate pie crust. Hey, you never know until you give it a try. And let's go ahead and pop the top on this one. And I'm not gonna garnish this one. I'm just gonna leave it plain. Let's get this in the refrigerator. Okay, y'all, we just got the pie out of the refrigerator. Let's go ahead and cut a piece and see how this ambrosia pie tastes. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and give this a try. So that maraschino cherry immediately came through. The sour cream balances out the sweetness. Very light and very refreshing. This would be perfect for a spring or summer party. The coconut is coming through, the mandarin oranges, the pineapple tastes really good in it. You know, even a little almond flavoring may be good in this. And that's going to do it for today's video and this ambrosia pie recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, there's always something about these easy no-bake pies that get my vote each and every time. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel, as it does help me to continue to grow and bring more recipes like this to you each and every week. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen, where comfort is always on the menu. I'll see you in the next video.